Hello. Today I will show you how to find company email addresses for the CEOs or managing directors or e-commerce directors. So let's get it started. So here is one of my project that I have worked on Fiverr. So the client wants to collect email addresses for the following titles that are CEO, Managing Director, Chief Digital Officer, or E-commerce Director. So I will show you two companies as an example to find email addresses from the LinkedIn page. So what we have to do is to first install a Chrome extension called email extractor. So we will find here, go to Google and type in email email extractor Chrome. So here is the email extractor extension. So I have disabled it. Now I am enabling it. Okay, now we are done. Now we will open an Excel sheet and create a new spreadsheet. Okay, so what we have to find, client has asked to find all the LinkedIn contacts that are currently residing in Australia. So, and he also want to get all the email verified first before submission. So what we will do, we will first collect the email addresses and then verify it using a mail tester software. So as an example, I will show you two companies. So we will type in company URLs and first, last name and title, email. We will format it. Okay, now we will format it. It is formatted now. You can do whatever you like. I have just formatted on my way. So there are two companies which I am showing you as an example. One, it is Nestle, and second one will be Samsung Australia. So here we will find the email addresses for the Nestle company. So we'll copy it and paste it Australia. So here is the email is the domain address of the Nestle company for Australia. So we will copy it and paste it on the Excel sheet, and now we will find the contacts. So what you have to do is to find the LinkedIn page. So here is the LinkedIn page. So we'll go to the people's tab. Here now you can see all the countries in which this company is operating. uh, for us, we have to find the contacts that are currently residing in Australia. So we will type in Australia in search bar. So here are the Australian contacts for this particular company. So what we have to find is so what here is the managing director, CEOs, CMO, CTO. So I will find either MD or CEO. So I will find MD, managing director for this company. So here is I have found the okay. Here is the one. Is the managing director. So we can check if he has any email address. No, he does not have. Okay, now what we will do is to find the email format first. It is very important to find the email format for this company. So let me see how we get. So the email extractor Chrome extension will display all the email addresses if it is available on the Google. So here we have found out the email format, which is australia.au.nestle.com. So we will copy it and then verify it if this is the correct email address. Okay, here. Okay, now this is the correct valid email address. So what we have to do is to type in this his last and first and the last name here to verify if it is the correct email address. Okay, this is the correct email address, so we will copy it and paste it here. And the title is managing director. Okay, his first name is okay, his first name, we'll copy it here. Second name, last name here. So now we have collected just one email. Now we have to find another email, which is CEO. So now here is the CEO. We can copy this. Okay, so we will copy his first name and the last name here. Okay, this is not the valid email address, so we will leave it. Okay, the email, the name of the CEO is not mentioned here, so we will leave it and we will find the e-commerce director. So here we have e-commerce manager, which he has mentioned, e-commerce manager. Now we will find out her email address. We'll copy it and paste it here and see if this is the correct email address. It takes some time. So now this is the valid email address. We will copy it also here. These are the same. I accidentally click on it. Now copy the first name, copy the last name, okay. Now she is the e-commerce director manager, and her email address is this. Okay, now we have to find the CEO also. So what we will do is type CEO Australia. So here is the contact name we have found. So she's the CEO of the Nestle at Australia. So we will also verify her email address. No, this doesn't exist, so we will leave it. We will find another one here, CEO. Here we can see there are 3 contacts. So okay, CEO at Nestle Australia. So she is the one. So we did not find her email address, so we will leave it. Now we can find CFO email address. CFO. So he is the one. I will copy his name and paste it here and see if this is a valid email address. So his name also incorrect, so we will leave it. We will go to the LinkedIn page and see if we have. So here is the one. will copy and paste it here. Okay, now we will find out the uh, new contact for the new company, which is Samsung Australia. So we'll type in Samsung Australia. So here is the domain address. We'll copy this and paste it here, as I have already done it. Samsung and then the domain name, domain address. Now we will find out the contacts email addresses. So we have to first find out the LinkedIn page, which is this one. So go to the people's tab. As this page is for the Australian contact, so we don't have to filter out the contacts. It is all contacts here are for the Australian company, Australian version. So what we have to find now? Okay, so he asked for the e-commerce, the manager or director. So we will find out that e-commerce manager. So okay, we will see. First we have to find the format. Samsung email format. Okay, so the company uses this email format, which is first and the last name, the first letter of the first name and the last name. So what we will do, we will just check it out if this works or not. So here is, we will copy the email domain name and then we will copy the first and the last name and see if this is work. Okay, now verify it. Okay, the company this email address is valid, so we will copy this one and paste it here and type her name, Kate Croft, and she is an e-commerce manager. Okay, now we'll find another contact, which is, now he has asked to find any one from the following, either CEO or managing director or CEO. So I have find the managing director. Now I will find out the chief marketing officer. So here is, I will type chief marketing officer. So here is the one. So I will copy his name and paste it here. So the, check it out, if this is the correct. So this is not the correct. Josh. Okay. Josh dot Grace. This take time. Okay, this is the valid email address. So we will copy it and paste it here. Samsung, and we will paste it here too. And type his name, Josh Grace. He is the chief marketing officer. So I have collected 4 contact email addresses. So I have shown you how you can find the correct email addresses and also verify them before submission. Otherwise your client will reject your work and you will be deranked on Fiverr if you get bad ratings. So you first have to verify it using mail tester website. This website works up 80% of the time, but 20% of the time it will not work for you because some domain does not allow email verification. So you will have to manually verify it on Google. So if you found this video useful, you can subscribe to my channel and also like and share this video. So I will bring out more and more videos for you. So please like and share my video, and I will bring out more videos on the same topic, that is data entry and lead generation. So okay, thank you very much and bye.